website so that I can show you what we have launched. And yes, this is it. We have launched beautiful 7 different and new stamps, and all of these are the mini stamps. Yes, I know a lot of you have been asking me to come up with the small stamps, the mini stamps. So these are not actually the mini stamps, these are like quite big for any of your mixed media and your decoupage projects. So first of all, let me just take you through the designs of the stamps. Okay, one by one. Okay, now this is one of the patterns of the stamps. Isn't it gorgeous? Now the next one is this stamp. Okay, now all of these are priced at just rupees 350. Yes, you guys heard me right. These are just for 350 rupees. To participate in our giveaway, 3 lucky winners are going to get these stamps. What you need to do is you need to share this session as much as you can, and also you need to comment on 20 of our YouTube videos. Now the next one is my absolute favorite, and it is this one. I know a lot of you have been using our honeycomb stamp, so this time we have come up with an amazing different design on our honeycomb stamp. Now there is one more pattern. It is in this way, so you can use it in multiple ways you want it. So this is our 5th design. Now the 6th one is the most requested mini stamp. Okay, yeah, I think. Okay, this is the one, and last but not the least, one of my favorites is this one. So as you can see, I have already used this a lot of times. I have used others also, but this one I have used a lot of times, so you can see that. Now it's time to tell you the offers whatever we are having right now. So for these 7 stamps and also for the other stamps, we are having flat 20% off on our website. You need to use the coupon code GCStamp20, and the offer has already started from today morning itself. It is only for a very limited period of time. Can you show the actual result for better understanding? Nimisha Shah, yes girl, please stay tuned. I have already done a project. The tutorial is going to be there on our YouTube channel, but I am going to show you a glimpse of that project. Now let me first take you through the combos. Now for this complete combo, the MRP will be 2450. The discount what we are offering right now is 2249, but on the top of it you can have flat 20% off. Yes, you heard me right. So on 2249 you are going to get extra 20% off on this combo. Then we have a 4-piece combo of these stamps. You can pick and choose any of your 4 designs. You can connect with us on WhatsApp and we will arrange the customized combo for you guys. Now for any of these combos, the 4 pieces, the actual MRP is 1400. The discount what we have right now is 1300, and on the top of it we are giving extra 20% off absolutely for you guys. And yes, that's for the 4-piece combo. And now for the 3-piece combo, of course you can just customize any of your designs. The MRP is 1050. The website discount is 999, and yes, for the live session, of course, we wanted to give you some extra discount, and for that again we are having flat 20% off on this 999 amount. So the discount on all of these are available on our website. You just need to use the coupon code GCStamp20 and you are going to get flat 20% off on these stamps. Of course, the discount is also available on all our bigger stamps also. So, just in case if you guys have not checked our bigger stamps, it is this, and this. Yeah, so this is all what we have in our store. So please do check that. Now The next thing what I wanted to share with you all is, let me just keep this aside. So yes, once again I'll repeat, we are giving flat 20% off on all our stamp collection on our website. It is a very limited period offer because it's a huge discount. So it's just flat 20% off on complete collection of our stamp. You need to use the coupon code GCStamp20, it is mentioned, and yes, do participate in the giveaway because you can be one of the lucky winners who is going to get one of these stamps for our live session giveaway. What you need to do is you need to share this session on different Facebook groups, and also you need to comment on 20 of our YouTube videos.